Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena. In today's video we are doing a fall makeup tutorial. So in this video I'm going to be using some new products and I'm going to be coming up with this look for you guys right here. I'm kind of obsessing over it. It's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, fall has kind of snuck up on us and it is literally right around the corner. So we are not wasting any time to go ahead and jump right into these fall makeup looks. So if you want to go ahead and see how I created this warm cranberry monochromatic fall look, then make sure to keep on watching.
I just been balling out every season. No excuses, I left in the bleachers. I just been married to double cup. I gotta pull me a four inside.
Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be using the new Colourpop Whatever palette from their fall collection, and this is what it looks like. I'm definitely vibing with this palette. Love the outside. So when you open it up, this is what you see, and you can definitely see these shades are definitely necessary for the fall time. You got your burgundies, you got your browns, you got your oranges, you got all of those warm tones that we definitely love using during the fall time. So I'm super excited to see what kind of look I'm going to create from this palette. Definitely a palette that is up my alley, and this palette does retail for $18. I'm going to go ahead and take the shade right here, Copycat, and I'm going to just blow that out into my crease and use as a transition color. And I'm going to take that on a JH30 brush. It's a very fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease. It's a very warm transition color, so it's going to be perfect to help blend out all of those shades and have everything lay on top. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to take from the palette is this shade right here, Maybe Later. And I'm going to take that on the inner and the outer crease, and we're going to start creating a halo eye. So I'm going to take that on a JH37 brush. Ooh, this one is really pigmented. So as you can see, that is definitely more of a red tone eyeshadow, which I am loving so far. Very pigmented. You do get a little bit of kick up in the pan when you pick this shade up, but that's okay. I don't really care about that. But I did want to let you guys know. So you just have to dust off your brush so you don't have any extra product. So who is excited for fall? I know I definitely am. I'm definitely ready for it to cool down a little bit because it has definitely been a very hot summer here in Alabama, and your girl has been struggling. It has been like to the point where you don't even want to go outside. It's been so hot. So I am looking forward to fall. I'm looking forward to, you know, just a little bit more of a breeze, a more casual 75-degree weather going on, because it has definitely been like 85 and up, like hitting the 90 and the 100 range here. So yeah, that is what I'm looking forward to for sure. The cooler weather. Bring it on, y'all. So now I'm going to take this shade right here, Bad Guy, which is more of a reddy purpley, like deeper shade. And I'm going to just continue to pack that on the inner and the outer part of my eye to continue to create that halo eye we are trying to create. And I'm going to pack that on with a JH33 brush. So really you just want to focus this on the inner and the outer part and deepen that up. So that is a really pretty deeper burgundy shade. I'm not having any problem like blending out these shadows, since they definitely have a lot more like depth to them and they're a little bit more darker, so they're definitely blending really nicely. And this look is all about just packing on and layering these shades on top of each other and getting the depth that you want to receive with this look. So you just want to make sure you just keep on packing. It's definitely a process, but it is going to be so worth it in the end. So now I'm going to go in with the shade Miss Brightside, which definitely is a deep reddish purple brown right here. And I'm going to do the same thing and continue to pack that on in the inner and outer crease. And see this, like I am loving how this is turning out. It is turning out so nicely, so fall like inspired. Oh my god, I love this so much. Let's go ahead and do a full like just burgundy out look. So I'm gonna take the shade TTYN and I'm going to put this in the halo part of the eye. So ooh, that is so pretty. It was definitely coming off more of like a reddish burgundy shade on the lid. I'm really loving that color so far. Super pretty. So now after we got that shade on, I'm going to go back in with the shade Mrs. Brightside, which is that deep purple shade. And we just want to blend that inwards towards that shimmer shade. Ooh, this is so pretty. This is definitely screaming cranberry vibes. We are definitely getting that burgundy look coming through. Like this is super pretty. Alright, so I'm back. I have on my lashes and everything, and I went ahead and did my base makeup and my bronzer. So now we're gonna go back into the eyes. So I'm gonna go back in the shade Maybe Later, which is that little muted red mauve shade, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that on my lower lash line. And I'm gonna take that with a JH39 brush, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend that just right underneath that lower lash line and bring it all the way to the front. We just want to blow that out. Okay, so now I'm going to go back in with the shade Mrs. Brightside, and I'm going to go ahead and add that just on the outer crease of the eye. We don't want to bring it all the way in. We just want to make sure we keep it right here on the outer part. And this is just going to help bring everything together, smoke out that lower lash line, and make sure that our top and bottom are pretty much even. So now I'm going to go in with the Bff Bundle. Now this bundle does come with a volumizing mascara, a cream gel liner, and a gel liner pot. So they're all in the shade Burgundy. This kit does retail for $18, which I think is a good steal. You're getting a mascara and 2 gel liners in here, so that is really good. So the thing I'm going to be using from the Bff Bundle is going to be the cream gel liner, and I absolutely love the formula of this product. I do have some from a previous collection that I've got, and they just glide on so smoothly. They're very pigmented and they don't irritate your lower lash line, especially when you use an eyeliner. And you know, sometimes you use those pencils where you're literally digging up in your lash line trying to get the pigmentation off with the liner. You do not have to worry about with this one because they are very creamy. They definitely just glide on, and I'm going to show you what the color looks like on the back of my hand. As you can see, I barely pressed down, and you can see that burgundy shade on my hand, and I'm absolutely excited to add this to the lower lash line. Oh yeah, that is pretty. So in this collection with Colourpop, they actually came out with 6 Super Shock blushes, and they all retail for $8. So I'm really excited about this because I've seen some shades in here that your girl is definitely eyeing and ready to put on her face. So I think I'm definitely going to go in with the shade Over Dramatic. I think this one is definitely going to complement the look the best. And I absolutely love the tone of this one. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, I'm just applying that on my cheeks and just blending that shade out. I think I'm going to add a little bit of She's in Bold just on top of that because, I mean, I want to try to see what another one looks like. And I want to try to use as many as I can for you guys. So I'm going to take She Is in Bold and I'm going to add that one too, just to be extra. Okay, so lastly is lips, and I'm going to be using the Ultra Glossy Lips from Colourpop. They came out with 6 different shades, and I'm super excited, and these retail for $7. So I'm going to go in with the Pinky Mauve shade Crushing from the Ultra Glossy Lip Formula, and I'm going to apply that on. I absolutely love this formula. It is so pigmented, so comfortable, and really shiny. So that is the shade Crushing, and I am obsessed. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera real quick, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished makeup look right here, and you guys, I am absolutely obsessing over this look. This look definitely screams fall vibes all the way. Like, I did not know if I was completely ready for fall and these fall looks, but after today and this look that I created, your girl is definitely on the bandwagon, and I am ready to welcome fall with open arms. This look is absolutely stunning, and honestly, I would wear this for daytime and nighttime. I feel like it's appropriate for both. I definitely feel like we have a monochromatic moment going on here with the cranberry and mauve shades on the eyes, as well as the lips and the cheeks. So it just overall complements each other and looks so beautiful on. So I am here for it, you guys. This look is so bomb. So let me know, what is your favorite look to do for fall? Are you more of a dark lip with a simple eye? Do you like the monochromatic looks? Do you like the warm browns? Let me know in the comments. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the love and support you show me on all my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.